If you don't have someone like Libby to wake you up at 2 p.m., you're gonna need this essential oil recipe. These oils come together to create a fresh and energizing aroma, and we're calling it Fresh Vibes Aromatherapy Inhaler. Let's get to it. All right, for this recipe, you'll want to grab your labels and your recipe card. Also want to grab your aromatherapy inhaler.
You'll want to grab a lemongrass essential oil, sage essential oil, and your cinnamon. So let's get to making it.
So we're gonna grab our aromatherapy inhaler, and it's got 3 parts to it. It's got the cap, the inhaler piece, and then this bottom piece, which can come off. And inside is a little piece of cotton. With that piece of cotton, we're gonna add essential oils.
So you're gonna want to add 2 drops of lemongrass, 1 drop of sage, and 1 drop of cinnamon.
Next, you're gonna want to use something like this or tweezers to push the cotton around to make sure to absorb all that excess oil. And then we're gonna bop it right in. And then we'll add that bottom cap. And you can reopen this again. It is a little bit tricky, but if you were to want to get that cotton out to refresh it or something like that, you could use a spoon to push against that side, and then it'll create a little gap where you can push the end off, but it is kind of tricky. Now, to use an aromatherapy inhaler, you can pull out this inhaler and take a deep breath. And what you'll want to do is place it by one side of your nose and breathe in deep. And do it on the other side, and it's gonna give that wonderful aroma is gonna give a little zap of energy to your brain.
Smells great.
Smells good. Make sure you don't put this inside your nose. That can be really irritating to your mucous membranes. So keep it a little bit away from your nose when you are breathing in. Next up, you'll want to label it so you don't forget what's in your inhaler. When you label it, it's easier to use.
So we added our label, and we also put the date on so you know when you've created it.
That gives you a good idea of when you'll want to refresh it. These oils will last probably about a week before you'll want to refresh it again. And to get more great recipes like this, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe now button to get all kinds of fun recipes just like this.
Delivered right to your door. We'll give you everything you need to make this recipe.
Thanks for watching.